Let me remove my sunglasses. Hey.
Woof.
Hello my friends, welcome to or back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, how are you? This is my first time filming an intro for a video after the video was filmed. For makeup it is. I just felt like this would be better so you could really see the look before we get started, so you could see if you want to continue. I don't know. Yeah, I'm so happy with how this look turned out. It is so cute, this fun little holiday Christmas extravaganza glam editorial look. I also included a bleach eyebrow tutorial. If you are new here, I am an advocate for bleached eyebrows. They're incredible. It's fairly simple, but I wanted to add my contribution. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was very fun to make. I am just so ecstatic with how this makeup turns out. I'm definitely in the Christmas spirit now. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe because I'm going to be posting more makeup content in the future in the next few weeks. I'm also going to be posting some fun, I was going to say lifestyle. I guess that's how I would categorize it. I'm going to be doing a vision board for 2021 coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. Let's just get into the makeup. Okay, so we're starting off bleaching my eyebrows. I use this Blonde Brilliance. What is this powder? It's in there. And then I use 30 volume developer. I know for my eyebrows I should use like a light one or something, but this is what I had because I bleached like my mom's hair and my brother's hair. Oh, that might have been too much. That was definitely too much. I'm using one of these like disposable mascara wands, which I honestly don't normally use because they've been like in my closet in a bag, but ideally this is what I would be using. I feel like I've retold the story of why I've bleached my eyebrows like so many times that no one cares. Y'all, I'm gonna apply this now. I don't know, I'm just gonna zoom y'all in, but the brows are the little dark, the hairs are coming in, okay? You can't really tell though. It looks kind of like a salt and pepper situation. Jada James, who I spoke about in my favorites video for the year, I commented on her vlog because she was like, I hate doing my eyebrows. It's like the worst part. It takes so long. And I commented, told her the story of how I bleached my brows. I was like, I also hated doing my brows, so I bleached them. And she was like, you are playing chess and we're all playing checkers. I just love the bleached brows. I literally think I'll have these for at least like 3 or 4 years. Like this will be my thing. Bleach brows and this like shag in copper. You really gotta get this brow covered, y'all. I know people will use like, people will use like saran wrap, but I don't own that. Like, I just let it sit. I also try and get like the little hairs out there, but I mean, it will irritate the skin. Now we wait for 10 minutes. I actually never set like a timer or anything. Okay, set a 10-minute timer. Usually after 10 minutes, it like stops burning too. So that's kind of how you know it stops working. It also dries out. I'm gonna it's starting to foam up, is it not? I had this Evian facial spray, which you're probably like, you wasted your money. But this has lasted me like over a year. And I got it at TJ Maxx for $8.99. So this will keep it hydrated. I'm gonna go for like a bit. I'll see you soon. I'm back. I'm about to take it off, but I'm mixing a little bit of toner, like the smallest amount. I also take it off with a makeup wipe. These ones are really cheap from Target. That's why I don't mind like using them just to take off bleach. One time I tried to use purple dye because like I dyed my hair purple. I dyed my hair purple just at the beginning of quarantine. I still have the purple dye. I tried using one of them on my eyebrows. I feel like I shouldn't even tone it. They look really good. Yeah, so it's also because I bought this toner for my mom when I bleached part of her hair, and I gotta use it up. This brow definitely looks more, you know, we're gonna be a little sparse. I'm only gonna leave this on for like 5 minutes. Gosh, this one burns even more.
Literally less than 1 minute later.
I'm gonna take this off. I didn't even finish the purple shampoo thing story. Oh, sorry, I used the purple dye. I left it on for just a bit too long, and that's okay. We're back. There is a bit of redness around my eyebrows, but we're gonna start on the makeup. Gosh, my face is gorgeous. What fell? I did wash some of my makeup brushes yesterday. Very gross. I have not washed my makeup brushes in a very long time. I'm also starting with eyes before face. I forgot the words because that's what I used to do because I would get so much fallout. Did I mention I'm doing a Christmas makeup look? I probably mentioned it in the intro. Starting off with P. Louise base, but little hack. I've been mixing this LA Girl foundation mixing pigment because I was like, I need a lighter like eyeshadow base because I want the colors to pop a lot more when I can mix this. So that's literally so pale. I mean, not that pale. That actually just blends right in quite well. We're gonna like build it up. This is a Christmas little makeup look. I'm actually not a fan of Christmas. Very controversial. It's just very stressful, you know? I don't like gift receiving. I mean, I do, I guess. Who doesn't like gifts, you know? It just stresses me out. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and just blend this in. Okay, I think I'm gonna do tape just to make sure the lines are clean. This feels a little bit uncomfortable. I never used to do this, but I used to, when I had nails, longer nails, I would just take the makeup wipe and clean line. Perfect every time. Okay. I saw Jackie Aina do it, and she said she thinks it helped her shadows, so I think it might help my shadows. I'm using this, what is this, BH Cosmetics Color Festival. I don't want to show it. It's gross, and I'll just insert a picture and tell you what color I'm using. I'm using the color Electronic. It's a little, we're working on it. Maybe I should have not set it. That's why I used to not set it. This is the Morphe M165. I love this brush for this style look that I'm doing. I should have not set it, I think, because this isn't as pigmented, but that's fine. Do I start over? No. I'm not gonna start over, but I am gonna. Oh, I still have some on my hand right here. Oh gosh, it's so much better when it's not set. I'm gonna redo this other eye. They don't sell this palette anymore, but I think I'm gonna try and do Project Pan, which is this thing where you try and use all your products. I'm gonna do like a whole video on it. I literally already sorted out all my products. I haven't bought a lot of makeup this year. I mean, I still have bought makeup, but I used to go to Ulta like once a week, I think. Honestly, the girl that worked there, I literally considered her like a friend. Like, I was like, my friend at Ulta? I miss her. She was so sweet. And I don't remember her name. Gosh, this is such a cute color. I miss doing my makeup, y'all. I would wake up for class, do my makeup, film me doing my makeup for Tiki Tack, and pick out my outfit, and my professors would be like, your makeup is so pretty. You should be a model. I live by an airport, and that's an airplane going by. I'm gonna go in with my finger, y'all, because I feel like I could get more out of this. I always like shimmers so much better with my finger. Was that not recording? Who knows? We will find out. It seems as though it was not recording when, I don't know, I didn't really watch completely. Basically, I just color corrected and talked about how I color correct now. As I was saying, when I didn't realize it wasn't recording, I always have a problem with makeup videos. Every single time there's an issue. So I listen to Evermore. My favorite songs are Willow and Champagne Problems and Closure. I'm not sure if I like it as much as Folklore, only because Folklore, as Miss Swift said, is about problem resolutions, but Evermore is about endings and like closure, as the song Closure, I guess, which ain't my thing. I'm not about that. I will continue listening to Evermore mainly because I love Taylor Swift. There has not been a Taylor Swift album that I don't like. Every album that I didn't like at first ended up being my fave. Reputation and Red and Folklore. I think those are my favorite Taylor Swift albums. Does it look muddy? Who knows? The thing is, you know. I think I want my under eyes to be just a little lighter, so. Okay, that's a little too light. What was I talking about? I like a bright under eye. I should do like a whole video on my face makeup. Also, I don't want to spoil my New Year's resolution type things because I'm gonna do a whole video, but one of them is to use social media more. So basically, I feel like I don't exist when I don't use social media. And I don't want people to think I'm dead. I don't know why that's my first thought. That's good. I feel like Trixie Mattel right now. I'm doing this for y'all. I don't normally do this, but I want to do like a glam kind of look today. I think I got some in my mouth. I literally... Do I look beautiful? I really do. I don't know why I would ask. I really do. I wrote down so many like talking points. I seem to have... I already talked about all of them. I'm using this very old blush that I have from a kiosk at the mall. They may have them at your mall. I forgot what it's called, but I think I want to dip into this palette. Also not available, but I love. I was going to include in my favorites video, but I did not want that to be too long. There's this like duochrome reddy greeny brown color that oh, you can't really see. I had a blush like this and it told me it was a color changing blush, but not really. And when you blend it out, it kind of looks cool. So I feel like I do really love a highlight on the Cupid's bow. And I just use eyeshadow as highlight. My video that I just last week, I usually do little fake lashes at the ends, but I didn't because I was like, no, it looks still good. And when I went back and watched the whole thing when I finished it, I was like, I really should have. They just like wing out my eyes so much. I'm gonna do a mix between these two, I think. This is nice red. I think these are like the same, honestly. Yeah, this one's just a little bit darker. I actually wanted more of this red. I got some lipstick on my tongue. I think I just want to do like, make it look like a, this situation. This is the finished product. I think this is such a beautiful glam Christmas look. Oh my god, I forgot to put my lashes on. Okay, I just put my lashes on. I can't believe I forgot that. They were sitting right there. But look at what the difference it made. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to try and do more makeup videos. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you all. Happy Honda Days. Happy Toyota-thon. You should subscribe. Do it. What's stopping you? I dare you. Bye. I did find a red lipstick that matches. Okay, bye. For real this time.